Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I use these Dollar Tree 2.5 by 3.5 inch mirrored frames to create 3 pretty awesome mirrored home decor projects. So if you're interested in seeing how I created these items, then just keep watching. For all 3 of these projects, I removed the 4 mirrored pieces from each of the 2.5 by 3.5 inch frames. I'll let you know that these photo frames weren't in any of my local stores. I did order them online. It took well over a month for me to receive them, but I'll leave the SKU number down in the description box in case anyone is interested in ordering these as well. For the most part, the mirrored pieces were easy to detach from their frames. However, in some cases, they did not separate as easily as others. So when needed, I used my glue gun that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree to remove any excess particle board and glue from my mirrored pieces. For my mirrored vase, I simply used one of these cylinder vases from the Dollar Tree, the pieces from 6 of my mirrored frames, and my Gorilla Glue. I'll have the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. This project was super simple. I simply cleaned my vase and then I used my Gorilla Glue to attach the mirrored pieces. Each frame comes with 2 short mirror pieces and 2 longer mirror pieces. So I alternated the sizes of my mirror pieces as I attached them to the vase to create my design. I continued adding my mirrored pieces until I made my way all the way around my vase. And then I used a little elbow grease to squeeze in that final row of mirrored pieces. The key was to make sure that each of the mirrored pieces were aligned at the top and the bottom of my vase. I then allowed my vase to dry overnight. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirrors, removed any excess glue with an X-Acto knife, and here was my finished look. For my mirrored table runner, I used this door mirror that I purchased from Walmart for $5.88. I also used the pieces from 9 of my mirrored frames and my Gorilla Glue. Again, another simple project. I simply attached my mirrored pieces around my door mirror. I started by adding 3 of the longer pieces to the shorter sides, and then I alternated between the longer and the shorter pieces along the longer sides of my door mirror. This mirror already came in a really pretty gold color, so I didn't even have to spray paint the mirror or anything else. It was simply lying down the pieces as straight as possible and then allowing them to dry overnight. Of course, you can continue to use this as a door or wall mirror, but I wanted to create something fairly simple and elegant for the center of my formal dining table. To complete the project, I simply cleaned my mirror and placed my long table runner in the center of my table. Before I set my table, I want you guys to see how pretty this table runner is. It is such a pretty gold color and it matches my place setting and the decor in that room perfectly. And finally, for my wall mirror, I used one of these silver chargers, the pieces from 12 of my photo frames, one of these 9.5 inch round mirrors, my Gemstone Stickers, hot glue gun, glue sticks, and my Gorilla Glue. So the first thing I did was place my charger face down, and then I arranged my short mirrored pieces around that charger. Once I had my mirror pieces spaced as evenly as possible, I then moved every other mirror piece down about an inch before using my Gorilla Glue to attach my mirror pieces to the back of my charger. I then used that same Gorilla Glue to attach a second layer of the longer mirrored pieces around the back of my charger. I aligned these pieces to the center circle of my charger. I also used my hot glue here to help hold the longer mirrored pieces in place until my Gorilla Glue fully dried. Again, I had to use a bit of force to add that final piece to my design. That slightly shifted some of the long mirror pieces, so I rearranged them and fixed any spacing issues, and then I allowed this to dry for about an hour. I then removed the round mirror from its frame, and I used my Gorilla Glue to attach that mirror to the center of my charger. The following day, I cleaned my mirror, cut my gemstone stickers into strips, and then I added those gemstone stickers to every other long mirror piece around my design, as well as to the center of my mirror as well. I did add some Gorilla Glue to the ends of each of my rows just to keep my gemstone stickers in place. And here was my finished look. I think that this mirror turned out beautiful, and it is my favorite for this week. What do you guys think? So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.